The inception of our group of companies, the East Coast group of companies, was done on the idea that why not produce special steels, rather raw magnets in India. We proudly patented more than 20 ideas in the field of magnetic work holding and clamping. And this has been our biggest success story, that instead of technology follower in the field of magnetic work holding, we are technology leaders. When the time came in 1999-2000 to modernize our company, after finishing engineering, I joined this and I wanted to bring in all these modern technologies and toys which I could see all over the world. And my father said, we can't afford it. We are an Indian company. We can't afford these fancy tools, fancy machines. Then in 2004, in the Imtex exhibition, BFW launched their Akshara machine. And Rajiv Ghosh and Lakshmi Prasad, these two gentlemen, forced us that you need this machine to produce better products. I will say the first CNC machine, Akshara, we were one of the first few hundred customers of Akshara. From then onwards, we have also grown, BFW has grown exponentially, and because of BFW machines, we are cost effective in producing our products and we export all over the world. Now my interaction with BFW leadership. With Ravi I have interacted digitally and have attended his seminar once which was done in Bangalore. I was mighty impressed by the way he approaches the situation. And his team, Rajesh, and the whole marketing team, design team there, and of course the sales guys, Lakshmi and Rajiv. So my interaction with BFW has been as if I'm not a customer, as if I'm part of the organization and they are trying to solve their own problem, not my problem. We wanted certain changes in the machine, certain of my products to be incorporated in the standard machine of BFW. So it was not the question whether they will do it or not. Their question was, okay, how can we do it? So that makes a big difference when you interact with team. And this, I believe, only comes when you have clear thought process from top to bottom. You know how to put customer first. This is something that I have learned from BFW, how to put customer first, whether it is in designing of machine, selling of machine, service of machine, how to put customer first. And that I'm sure only comes from the top, and when it comes from the top, the team follows. A very old and common buzzword in manufacturing is diversification, modernization, new thinking, out of the box, new products. So we are not diversifying. In fact, we are consolidating and focusing on our own product design to make and keep up with the demand of future requirements. So there is a very common comparison that IC engines are going to go away and electric vehicles are going to come. Whether IC engines are produced or electric vehicles are produced, die and molds are still needed to be produced. Sheet metal parts are still needed to be produced, for which you will still need a CNC machine, for which you would still need a magnetic table to hold your die and mold while it's getting clamped and machined. So our focus is to make our products smarter, lighter and easy to use for the customer, whatever he produces. The box may change, but you would still need a box, and we make the box. Thank you.